Hey there, gearheads! Welcome back to another episode of Jay Leno's Garage. Jay Leno here, and today we're talking about a car that's changing the game in more ways than one. It's the Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid 2025, a marvel of modern engineering and luxury. This ain't your grandpa's Bentley. While it carries the legacy of its predecessors, it's a whole new beast. It's a luxury sedan that's as easy on the eyes as it is on the environment. Imagine cruising through scenic landscapes or urban jungles in this beauty. Bentley has always been known for its powerful engines and handcrafted interiors. The attention to detail is simply unparalleled. Now they're adding sustainable innovation to the mix. The Flying Spur Hybrid is not just about luxury, it's about responsibility. The Flying Spur Hybrid is a statement car for the modern age. It's a testament to how far we've come in automotive technology. It tells the world that you don't have to sacrifice performance or luxury to go green. You can have it all. This car is a masterpiece of engineering and design. Every curve, every line, every detail has been meticulously crafted. It seamlessly blends a powerful engine with an electric motor, offering the best of both worlds. The result is a driving experience that's both exhilarating and environmentally conscious. Imagine the thrill of the open road, knowing you're doing your part for the planet. So buckle up and get ready for a ride as we dive into the world of the Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid 2025. This is more than just a car, it's a revolution in luxury and sustainability.